Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for installing some underhood storage in a classic vehicle. This is in my 79 Bronco and I'm using a tall 50 cal ammo can or an N436 fuse box. Now this is the perfect size for me to fit my 3-ton jack and some other extra parts and accessories. That way they are protected. I've included the links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And don't forget, I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow along. All right, let's get into it.
All right, so I'm mocking up for my new jack storage and I'm able to fit my jack in here, breaker bar, some gloves, extension and socket so I can change my tire. So this doesn't have the original jack in it. Wouldn't do me any good anyway since I've got 33-inch tires. Fits perfectly in here. I'm trying to figure out how to secure this. Ideally, I want to bolt it down rather than use like self-tapping screws because I don't want it to possibly get into the tire if I really bottom the shocks out.
After mocking up the storage box location, I'm pre-drilling 3 holes in the ammo can for mounting. I then set the box in place and transfer the marks to the engine bay for drilling out. I'm using stainless steel hardware with nylon lock nuts to hold the ammo can in place. It's helpful having extra room with the tire removed for bolting it up.
All right, so now that I got it mounted up, I'm going to install some padding in here just to keep things from rattling around and making a bunch of noise. This is just some cheap foam that came with my storage cabinets when I purchased them, and I just kept that to line some shelves, and I'm just gonna line the inside of this to keep things from rattling around so you don't get that rattling bolts and metal noise driving down the road. So I'm just using this spray adhesive Loctite, and I've already cut my pieces to shape. I'm doing like 2 in pieces and then like a U shape to fit inside here.
Thank you for watching this how-to video for making underhood storage in a dent-side Bronco. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Also, don't forget to smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching.